Here's an unusual Arkansas waterfall. Down in a valley, it's got a creek running through it, and suddenly the creek stops and takes a detour straight down. Good water, about a 20-foot drop, and then the bottom, the valley, hasn't seen water in a long time. This is Buddy in the Arkansas Ozarks. Come give me a visit. See me at United Country there in YELLVILLE, Arkansas. We can find some land that'll fit your needs, your wants, and your dreams. Buddy, United Country, YELLVILLE, Arkansas. Look us up. We're on the web. We're on the internet.